you scared? Do you find yourself saying, I'm scared to put myself out there. I'm scared of the technology. I'm scared to try to create a successful online business. Well, here is a one-word hack that's going to help to reprogram your subconscious for success. You see, saying scared is looking to the future and expecting failure. So instead of scared, I want you to replace it with excited. Excited is anticipating that something is going to be great and successful and enjoyable. So can you imagine how much more confident you're going to feel if you actually make yourself use those words? You're excited instead of scared. You can trick your brain into overcoming these fears just with your language. Okay, go get them, folks.